Hey guys, Machines and Mel here. So this is haul number 2 of, I think it's gonna be 4. Equipment haul number 2 of 4 for this buy. And these are some pressure washers that we got today. You can see this one needs a carburetor. That's a good sign though. If it needs a carburetor, it usually means that the pump works. And then this one here. This is a nice one over here, guys. Little Honda 160 with the Comet pump on it. And there's another Honda there. And I actually got a Cal trimmer today. Little California trimmer. Little 20-inch one. Right there. I got some flowers for my mom. Right there. Gonna give those to her in a little bit. And then anyway, so the whole reason. Alright, so here's our trailer. Again, it's just like the last video we made where I haven't seen what's in here yet. I was told there's a lawn tractor or 2 and a bunch of other power equipment, lawnmowers. I don't know if there's any more pressure washers like we just showed you in the back of the truck. But I'm going to open it and you guys are going to be the first ones to see. You ready?
Ready.
Ready? What do we got?
We got a whole bunch of lawnmowers.
Are they stacked?
They're stood up and stacked.
Holy Moses! That's a lot more than the last load.
And a pump down there?
There's a water pump to add to our collection of water pumps. Ay, 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 you guys. Look at all these lawnmowers. There's got to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. There's probably 25, maybe 30 lawnmowers in, unless there's a lawn tractor back there.
Is that a wheelbarrow?
There's
There looks like a generator back there.
We got a wheelbarrow.
At least a frame of something.
That's another water pump back there. There's some garbage too. But you gotta take the good with the bad. We've learned that. So I guess like the last video, guys, we're gonna unload this and sort it into the diamonds, the not so diamonds, the garbage. And we'll turn the camera back on and you can see what we got this haul. Sorry to keep doing this to you. So guys, this is one of the machines out of the trailer. The little Craftsman tractor. It's actually not in bad shape. Someone liked their racing stickers. And it runs, guys. We fired it up. The transmission works. I drove it around and the blades spin up. So we posted that for sale for 400 bucks already. It's only been out of the trailer for 10 minutes. Then we got 4 more pressure washers in there. This electric one, which we don't have high hopes for, but there's a nice Honda powered unit right there. Looks to be in nice shape. And a couple others. Nothing spectacular. We got a Honda commercial lawnmower. This one seems to be seized. Well, that's okay, because we got a couple more of these, and there's enough parts here and there probably to build one good one. There's your run-of-the-mill Poulan rear bagger with the Honda engine. There's a Yard Machines front-wheel drive. If it wasn't front-wheel drive, that'd be in the scrap pile, but people like mowers with drive, so if we can get this running, it'll sell. We got an Ariens tractor. Kind of reminds me of what Forrest Gump was driving. Am I allowed to say Forrest Gump?
Sure.
Or is that a copyright infringement?
Well, I mean, it's a movie. It's a title. You can say.
YouTube is. But anyway, this one's got the carburetor removed. And it looks pretty green and grungy, but that's a good sign, guys, because if that's all that's wrong with this thing, the carburetor, we could probably get this running pretty quick, and this will sell for a couple $100 bucks. There's a Toro GTS aluminum right there. I've got a bunch of bags for those, which is handy. There's a Craftsman rear-wheel drive, and another Craftsman. I think that one's a front-wheel drive. It's getting dark now. And then we got 3 of these really weird lawnmowers. I've actually never seen these before, guys. They're called Power Smart. They look to be pretty much new.
But there's problems with each of them.
Yeah, we pulled on one of them and there was no compression, and the next one wouldn't start, and the next one was grinding. So we don't know, guys. These might all be trash. There's no bags. I've never seen the brand before, Power Smart. And honestly, this one here looks like a copy of a Toro. If we showed you one of the newer Toro bodies, it looks very similar to that. And these actually look like a copy of an MTB mower, so that might be very well what they are. And I wouldn't want to sell this to anybody because they'll probably never be able to fix it if it breaks again. So probably just scrap them. Take the cables and maybe the wheels or something and scrap them. And here you got another couple of old school Toro aluminum bodies. And then some junk. You got really old Toro with the Suzuki engine. That's a super recycler, but it's in pretty rough looking shape. It's got the Honda engine on it. There's another old Toro aluminum body, piece of junk weed eater brand. Another Toro aluminum body with the Suzuki engine. We got about 6 or 7 of those now. Your standard Craftsman, and then this Craftsman. So nothing really spectacular in this haul. Maybe that California Trimmer you saw in the beginning of the video and a couple of those pressure washers validated the, oh yeah, I forgot, a couple more water pumps. And then some extension ones, probably good for parts.
And a wheelbarrow.
And a wheelbarrow. That's what we needed. Oh look, we found the catcher for the Cal Trimmer as well. So yeah, hopefully we can sell this tractor tonight or tomorrow, and that'll make this all worthwhile, this trip. And hopefully those pressure washers make the trip a little more worthwhile. So we're gonna put this stuff away, guys, and clean up because we're done for today. We're pooped. Go do a little video editing and post a video. So hit the subscribe button for the next load or 2 that's coming. I'll link the first load at the end of this video, and thank you for watching.